Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? One hand hair flip. I'm using my other hand to hold the camera. I'm Brittany, and I'm coming to you from inside of my Mini Cooper, but I promise it is only temporary. I am going grocery shopping this morning, preparing for the weekend trip. Today is Friday, and I kind of waited last minute to buy groceries. And I'm actually going to head out today. So let me go into Smith's and grab some groceries for this trip. Then I need to head and grab some propane, go back in the house, pack up, and then I'll be on the road. I found a spot that's less than 2 hours away, so that's good. And I should be there by 3 o'clock at the latest today. So let me stop talking and get to work. Literally my go-to breakfast item. I hope I have everything. I'm in Dom. She is all packed up, and Jada and I are about to go. That is her in the background. She hates that we are leaving Andrew and Buddha behind, but I believe if everything goes well, Andrew should be able to come out and meet me tomorrow. So I'm just going to go ahead and get on the road, and I'll catch you guys back up at 20 Mile Beach. That is where we are headed.
I don't want to stay here, no. Gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
It is warm in here now. Okay, my friends, Domino is smudged, she's cleansed, and now I think she's livable again. So I'm actually starving, so I think this is where I'm gonna end the video and let you guys go. Whew. It's been a very long day, and I'm just excited to be here to cook and to sleep in this bed again. Alright, my friends, I think the next video I'll go ahead and do a morning routine, since now I can do a real full-on morning routine with me and Miss Jada baby. So I'm gonna let you guys go. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if that's something you like. And I will catch you guys on the next adventure where you can see Where is Brittany. Bye.